Get some fresh water in a pool here. Penelope couldn't wait, so she kind of did it at the pool as I was trying to put it in there. So I squirted her down, and she's happy. So I get this filled up, I'm sure she'll jump in it. Yeah, as much as pigs jump. So she's looking right now. So you dent my pool again, Penelope. Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It is a hot one today, so we're making sure the pigs have plenty of water, and the chickens. And give the pigs a pool to swim in. Right now, Penelope's waiting for it to fill up. Now she's eating some alfalfa. She likes that. The other two just want to lay around all the time. Not very active. Nice clean water. Let's see if she gets in. Nope, back to eating alfalfa. What a lazy day. Alright, we got a pig that escaped.
Now I need to get back.
Hey. Hey. Going the wrong way.
Watch him. Here, come on.
I hate to say it, but you have to green the other ones.
Yep.
Look down.
Oh, no, you can't.
He's gonna get out if you let her open the gate right now.
You want to go get 2 more buckets of grain?
Well, the excitement's over and got Penelope put back in the pig pen. That was pretty easy, just follow the grain. Anyway, it's been a nice hot day today, and it's cooled down just nice. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening.